Namaskaram. Dear students, this video is for the students of class 8 in CBSE schools in the subject Sanskrit. Your annual exam is fast approaching. You have got your blueprint, and in this video I would like to give you some important questions. What all are questions likely to come for the annual examination? You know, the total marks for your annual examination is 60. Out of 60, 18 marks will be from the portions of term 1, and the remaining 42 marks will be from the lessons of term 2. And which are the lessons coming from first term? That is 1. Alpanamapi vastunam samhadihi karya sadhika. 2. Pranamyo deshabhaktoyam gobabandhur mahamanaha. And 3. Gita sugita kartavya. These are the 3 lessons taken for the first term. And the remaining lessons, that is Digi Bharatam, then Manjula Manjusha Sundara Surabhasha, Pashyada Konamashainyam Bharadasya Manoharam, Koruk Koruk Koruk, Samyak Varna Prayogena Brahmaloke Mahiyade, Varnocharna Siksha. These are the lessons for the second term. And in the blueprint, the first question is Abadida Uvaram, that is reading section. Your question paper is divided into 4 parts: reading, writing, grammar and literature. Reading Abadida Avabodhanam, writing Rajanatmakam Karyam, grammar Anuprayukta Vyakaranam, and literature Padida Avabodhanam. Okay, the question paper is divided into 4 parts. First one is Abadida Avabodhanam, and in this section there will be questions for 10 marks. An unseen passage will be given, and based on the passage you have to give answers. Ega Padena Uttarada, answer in 1 word; Ega Vakyana Uttarada, answer in 1 sentence; and Nirdeshanusaram Uttarada. Nirdeshanusaram Uttarada is grammar questions, that is word meaning can be there, opposite can be there, and what is the Kartrapadam of a given verb. Okay, these type questions will be coming for Nirdeshanusaram Uttarada in that section. So total marks will be 10 mark. Ega Padena Uttarada, 2 questions will be there, 1 mark each and 2 mark. And Ega Vakyana Uttarada, 2 questions for 2 marks, total 4. And Nirdeshanusaram Uttarada, there 4 marks will be there, 4 questions will be there, and 1 question carries 1 mark and total 4 mark. And now next comes Rajanatmakam Karyam. In Rajanatmakam Karyam, that is second question, Padani Upayujya Vakyani Rajayada. Padani Upayujya Vakyani Rajayada. Write sentences by using the words given. Okay, 5 mark question, 1 sentence 1 mark, and total 5 mark. For this question you have to study page number 58, question number 4. Page number 58, question number 4. I will read out the words. Uchyade, cha, na, labdva, kuryat. These are the words given, you have to use these words into sentence. Uchyate meaning is said, പറയപ്പെടുന്നു. In Malayalam പറയപ്പെടുന്നു, uchyate. Okay, you can write Mahabalihi dharmikaha asid iti uchyate. Okay, one example. Mahabalihi dharmikaha asid iti uchyate. Cha meaning and. Ramaha Sita cha vanam agachadam. Ramaha Sita cha vanam agachadam. Na means no. Asatyam na vadet. Then labdva after getting. Aham vijayam labdva prasannaha bhavami. Aham vijayam labdva prasannaha bhavami. I feel happy by getting success. Kuryad sahasa kriyam na kuryad. Don't do work quickly, immediately. Sahasa kriyam na kuryad. Okay, so these are the sentence, very important, and 5 mark questions you will get. If you study these words and sentences, you can get 5 mark. Then in the blueprint, third question is chitram drishtva vakya rachana, and that will be a general question. A picture will be there, you have to write sentences. Okay, first of all, understand the picture. Some words will be given for writing sentences. Idam vidyalayasya chitramasti. If the picture is about a school, you have to write idam vidyalayasya chitramasti. And idam udyanasya chitramasti. If the picture is about a garden, you can write idam udyanasya chitramasti. Okay, first of all, you can write what picture is given. Idam Sagaratadasya chitramasti. Sagaratadaha beach. Like that you can write. And what all are you given there in the picture that you see based on the words given. Okay. For suppose it is a garden, you can write idam udyanasya chitramasti. Udyane balagaha kridanti. Udyane vrikshaha sandhi. Vrisheshu pakshinaha sandhi. Sarve prasannaha bhavanti. Like that, simple sentences you can write. Okay, suppose it is the picture of a beach. Idam sagaratadasya chitramasti. Sagaratade janaha brahmandi. Jale naugaha sandhi. Naugaha means boat. Jale naugaha sandhi. And you can write idam chitram sundaram asti. That also you can write. Whatever be the picture, you can write one sentence like that. Idam chitram sundaram asti. Sometimes the picture will be given and you have to fill in the blanks. Picture will be given, sentence also will be given. Only thing you have to fill up the blanks with the suitable words. Words also will be given. Like that. But here in the blueprint it is given chitram drishtva vakya rachana. It is given like that so that you can expect a picture only, and you have to write simple sentences without making spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes. Okay, next one, anuprayukta vyakaranam, that is grammar sections. Fourth question, udaharana anusaram kriyapadam strilinge parivartayata. Udaharana anusaram kriyapadam strilinge parivartayata. Change into feminine gender according to udaharanam. Udaharanam will be given, example will be given. Okay, for that question you have to study page number 46, question number 6. Page number 46, question number 6. Udaharananusaram kriyapadam srilinge parivartayata. It is given there. Page number 46, question number 6. Gadavan, gadavadi. Example is given, gadavan, gadavadi. Similarly, praptavan, praptavadi. Ubavishtavan, ubavishtvadi. Bhuktavan, bhuktavadi. Kritavan, kritavadi. Grihitavan, grihitavadi. Okay, these are the, so gadavan, praptavan, ubavishtavan, bhuktavan, kritavan, grihitavan. These are pulling shabda, and when you convert into striling, gadavadi, praptavadi, ubavishtvadi, bhuktavadi, kritavadi, grihitavadi, it will come. Study these answers. It is very, very important. You can expect this question for your annual exam. Then next one, question number 5. Sandhi vichedam karodu. Sandhi vichedam karodu. For this question, you have to study page number 21, question number 8. Page number 21, question number 8. Ityagarnya. Ityagarnya, idi plus agarnya. Ityagarnya is sandhi. You have to split the sandhi, idi plus agarnya. Chitragrivo vadat. Chitragrivaha plus avadat. Chitragrivaha plus avadat. Chitragrivo avadat. Balagotra. Balagaha plus atra. Dhairyam adha abhyudaye. Dhairyam plus adha plus abhyudaye. Bhojane pya pravartanam. Bhojane plus abhi plus apravartanam. Namaste. Namaha plus te. Ubayas chandaniyaha. Ubayaha plus chindaniyaha. Vyadas tatra. Vyadaha plus tatra. Hiranyagopyaha. Hiranyagaha plus abhi plus aha. Mushagarajo gandagi tire. Mushagarajaha plus gandagi tire. Adastvam. Adaha plus tvam. Kaschid. Kaha plus chid. Study this. It is very, very important. And there are 12 words are given. 12 sandhi words are given there. And out of these, from these 12 sandhi words, you can expect 5 questions. Taken from these 12, 5 questions will be coming. So you have to study all these 12. Okay. So definitely you will get 5 mark. It is very, very important. Next one, Pradatta padanam eka padartham samasta padartham likhata. That is the next question. So for this question, what you have to study? Page number 82, 6th question. Page number 82, 6th question. Devasya alayaha, devalayaha. This is one word only. Samastapada means one word. Devasya alayaha, devalayaha. Example is given. Suranam Bhasha, Surabhasha. Suranam Bhasha will be the question and your answer is Surabhasha. Sundari Surabhasha, Sundara Surabhasha. Navarasaihi Rujira, Navarasa Rujira. Poshanasya Kshamada, Poshana Kshamada. Manjula Bhasha, Manjula Bhasha. Very important. And if you study this, you will get 3 mark. Okay, 3 mark. Out of here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words are given there. So out of these 6 words, you can expect any 3 words. So study all these 6 words. So that is samasta padartham likhata. Then next question, kada pratyam yojeda. Okay, for this question you have to study page number 68. Page number 68. 68, one box is given. Kada pratyam. Okay, ta pratyasya prayogaha bhutakalarthe karmavachye bhavavachye cha bhavati. Dadavaha divida bhavanti akarmakaha sakarmakaha. Ramaha padham apadat. Ramaha padham apadat, that is kartruvacham, active voice. Ramena padaha paditaha is passive voice. Okay, so apatat will become paditaha. Paditaha is passive voice. So pad dhadu plus kada pratyam. We are making the word padidaha by adding ta pratyam with pad root. Pad plus kada, padidaha. So one box is given. Yuje plus kada, yukta. Yuje plus ta, yukta. Bhu plus ta, bhuda. Vishe plus ta, vishta. Da plus ta, datta. Rekshe plus ta, rekshita. Okay. And Pullinga, Srilinga, Namuslinga, it is given Yuktaha, Yukta, Yuktam, Budaha, Buda, Budam, Vishtaha, Vishta, Vishtam, Dattaha, Datta, Dattam, Rekshidaha, Rekshida, Rekshidam. 3 columns are given. First column Pullinga, second column Srilinga, and third column Nabumsalinga. So the question will be Yuj plus Kada. You have to add Kada Pratyam with the root Yuj, then you will get the word Yukta. So Yuj plus Ta will be the question, and your answer is Yukta. Bu plus Ta, Buda. Vish plus Kada, Vishta. Da plus Ta, Datta. Rekshe plus Ta, Rekshita. Okay, so here only here 5 words are given, and you have to write only two words only will be there, because this is 2-mark question. Okay, so any 2 you can expect for the annual examination. Okay, yes. Then next 8th question, Padbhagam Paditva Prashnanam Uttarani Likhata. That will be question. That is coming from literature part. Padbhagam Paditva means read the paragraph and answer the questions. Ekapadana Uttarada, Purnavakyana Uttarada, answer in 1 word and answer in 1 sentence. Ekapadana, answer in 1 word, Ekavakyana, answer in 1 sentence. So for this question, a paragraph will be given, and the paragraph will be taken from a lesson. So here only paragraph lesson, only 1 lesson is there, Koruk, Koruk, Koruk. Okay, from that lesson you can expect the paragraph. Okay, and for this purpose, what you have to do now, you have to read the question and answer. Ekapadana Uttarada, Purnavakyana Uttarada, questions are given there in the exercise of this lesson. Study that. Then next one, Slogam Paditva Prashnanam Uttarani Ligada. Slogam Paditva Prashnanam Uttarani Ligada. 1 sloga will be given, read the sloga and answer the questions. 2 type of questions will be there, Ekapadana and Ekavakyana, answer in 1 word, answer in 1 sentence. And for this question, you can expect slogas from 2 lessons. 1 lesson is Manjula Manjusha Sundara Surabhasha, and Samyak Varna Prayogena Brahmaloke Mahiyate. These 2 lessons are there having poem slogas. So any 1 sloga from any one of these 2 lessons you can expect question. Okay, and next one, Natya Bhagam Paditva Prashnana Uttarani. Natya Bhagam means skit. Read the skit, read a paragraph. That paragraph will be taken from your skit lesson. There are 2 lessons. Okay, 2 lessons are there having dialogues. One is Digi Bharatam and another one Pashyada Konamaishanyam. Okay, these 2 lessons are there. From these 2 lessons, any paragraph you can expect for this type of question. So in literature part, Paditha Avabodhanam, Padabhagam Paditva Prasthana Uttarani Ligada, Sloga Bhagam Paditva Prasthana Uttarani Ligada, Natya Bhagam Paditva Prasthana Uttarani Ligada. These 3 types of questions will be there, and total 6 marks only. Okay, and for that you have to read the questions and answers, and you have to read the lesson also, understand the story. Okay, and Pradatta Pradeshu Prakriti Pratyay Vibhagam Karodu. That is the next question, 11th question. Pradatta Pradeshu Prakriti Pratyay Vibhagam Karodu. For that question you have to study page number 91, 3rd question. Page number 91. 3rd question, Adho Ligideshu Padeshu Prakriti Pratyay Vibhagam Kuruda. Gandham, Gama plus Tumun. Gandham, Gama plus Tumun. Nadum, Na plus Tumun. Visrudaha, V plus Sru plus Kada. Adirichya, Adi plus Rich plus Lep. Padhaniyam, Pad plus Aniyare. Okay, so the questions will be Gandham, Nadam, Visrudaha, Adirichya, Padaniyam. Okay, and you have to write the answers, and here questions will be three questions. Okay, 3 questions you can expect from this question. Gandhum, Nadum, Visrudaha, Adirichya, Padaniyam. Okay, study this question because Prakriti Pratyaya Vibhagam means root and pratyaya. Separate root and pratyaya from the given word. Gandham, Gama is the root and Tumun is the pratyaya. Gama plus Tumun, Gandham. Gandham meaning foregoing. Okay, similarly, Nadam, Na plus Tumun. When Tum is there in the word, you can understand there is pratyam Tumun. Tumun is the name of the pratyaya, but in the word Tum only will be coming. Tumun, pratyam, name of pratyaya is Tumun. Gama plus Tumun, example also is given. 3 mark. Next one, Prashna Nirmanam Kurida. Prashna Nirmanam Kurida, very important question. 5 mark, 5 questions will be there. For this purpose, you have to take the lesson, the page number 81, third question, page number 81. Page number 81, third question. Muniganaha Samskrita Bhashayaha Vigasam Kritavantaha. Samskrita Bhashayaha is the word underlined and you have to make question. Samskrita Bhashayaha, the question word will be Kasyaha. So Muniganaha Samskrita Bhashayaha Vigasam Kritavantaha. Your answer is Muniganaha Kasyaha Vigasam Kritavantaha. Okay, Samskrita Bhashayaha is underlined. For getting the word Samskrita Bhashayaha as answer, how to frame question, that is Prashna Nirmanam Kurida. So Samskrita Bhashayaha Kasyaha. Samanya Janana Jivanam Kavyehi Prabhavidam Asti. Kavyehi Kaihi. Kavyehi is the word underlined. Your answer is Kaihi. Ubadayani Kidrishani. Ubadayani Kidrishani. Prithivyam Kutra. Prithivyam Kutra or Kasyam also right. Vividha Bhashaha Kaha. Shastrani Kani. Okay, this is very important. And one more lesson is there. The same type of question is coming. Page number 91, fourth question. Page number 91, fourth question. Vayam Swadeshasya Rajanam Vishayet Nadimichamaha. Swadeshasya Kasya. Saptabhaginyaha is the word underlined and your answer is Kaha. Saptabhaginyaha Kaha. Hastashilpanam Kesham. Swargasadrishani Kidrishani. Okay, this you can expect 1 or 2 questions from this lesson also. Page number 91, fourth question. So for Prashna Nirmanam, for answering the question Prashna Nirmanam, you have to study page 81, third question, and page 91, fourth question. Okay, only from these 2 lessons these type questions are coming. Next question, Visheshna Visheshyan Melayata. Visheshna Visheshyan Melayata. Match the following. So page number 94. Page number 94, 9th question. I am. Visheshna Padani is given 1 column and Visheshya Padani is given in next column. The same type of column will be there in the question paper. You have to match and write. I am Pradeshaha Samskriti Visishtayam Bharata Bhumau Mahatwadhayini Samskritihi Prajine Idihase Ekaha Samavayaha. Okay, that is Visheshna Visheshyan Melayata. Now the last question, Samasa Yukta Padena Riktasthanam Pureda. Samasa Yukta Padena Riktasthanam Pureda. Study page number 21, 7th question. Page number 21. That is from first term. Page number 21, 7th question. Gandakyaha Tiram, Gandagi Tiram, Tasmin Gandagi Tire. 1 word only. Gandakyaha Tiram, Gandagi Tiram, Tasmin Gandagi Tire. The question will be Gandagi Tire. Otherwise, Gandakyaha Tiram. If the question is Gandakyaha Tiram, your answer Gandagi Tiram. Tandulanam Kanaha, Tandulakanaha. Jalasya Abaharagaha, Jalabharagaha. Avapadad Bhayam, Avapada Bhayam. Ka Purushanam Lakshanam, Ka Purusha Lakshanam. 1 word only. The question will be Gandakyaha Tiram. Your answer Gandagi Tiram. The question Tandulanam Kanaha. Your answer Tandulakanaha. If the question is Tandulakananam, your answer Tandulanam Kanaha Tan. Tandulanam Kanaha Tandulakanaha Tan Tandulakanan. Jalasya Abaharakaha Jalabharakaha Tan Jalabharakan. Avapadad Bhayam Avapada Bhayam Tasmad Avapada Bhayat. Kapurushanam Lakshanam Kapurusha Lakshanam Tasmin Kapurusha Lakshane. So I hope you will be getting the question Gandagi Tiram only. Gandagi Tiram and your answer Gandakyaha Tiram, or Gandakyaha Tiram will be the question and your answer Gandagi Tiram. Here question Samasa Yukta Padena Rikta Sthanam Pureda. Samasa Yukta Padena Rikta Sthanam Pureda. Samasa Yukta Padam. So you have to write Samasa Yukta Padam. Samasa Yukta Padam means Gandagi Tiram. So Gandakyaha Tiram will be the question. Answer Gandagi Tiram. Tandulanam Kanaha will be the question. Your answer Tandulakanaha. Jalasya Abaharakaha will be the question. Your answer Jalabharakaha. Avapadad Bhayam Avapada Bhayam. Kapurushanam Lakshanam Kapurusha Lakshanam. Okay. So these are the important questions. Page number and question number, everything I explained. Study well. Wish you all the best. And one more video I will be doing. In that video we will discuss the questions from literature. That is Padabhagam Paditva Prasthana Uttarani Ligada, Slogam Paditva Prasthana Uttarani Ligada, Natyabhagam Paditva Prasthana Uttarani Ligada. Okay, these 3 types of questions. What type of questions will be there and what will be your answer and everything we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.